Our journey through design begins with industrial furniture, born in the early 20th century's urban landscapes of America and Europe. This style transforms raw, functional materials from commercial settings into chic residential furnishings. Next, we delve into mid-century modern, a style that rose to prominence in the 1940s and 1950s. Influenced by the principles of the Bauhaus, it emphasizes clean lines, organic forms, and integration with nature. Traveling to the cold climates of Denmark, Norway, Sweden, and Finland, Scandinavian furniture focuses on simplicity, functionality, and impeccable craftsmanship, designed to bring light and warmth to northern homes. Turning to the grandeur of the Victorian era, this style flourished under Queen Victoria's reign, featuring elaborate designs that showcased the prosperity and intricate craftsmanship of the time. Concluding this episode, Shabby Chic furniture embraces the charm of the English countryside with its vintage, antique look, characterized by distressed finishes and a soft, romantic aesthetic. As we conclude our exploration of mid-century and regional furniture styles, we witness how each piece not only serves a functional purpose, but also tells a story of its era, its makers, and the homes it graced. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we continue to uncover the layers of history and style embedded in furniture design.